Okay, everybody. Did Bitcoin just rug? That's the question. Before I pop in here and go over everything, I just want to let everybody know this is not financial advice. I'll never tell you when to buy, sell, short, long, invest, divest. This is purely my own opinion, and I hope that you do get something out of it. All right, let's jump in here. Please, before you ever take any moves on your own, do your own research, and this is not financial advice. So let's see. Did Bitcoin just rug? Well, we did go up to that 48.2 area and we did pull back and we did basically complete this structure right here. And we came down here last night. We filled this buy tail. We actually dropped further than that down to this area here where there was a CME gap. And now it looks like we might continue down and fill this single print. Now, if we do continue and head down here and fill this single print, that's where we're going to be watching. Do we come back up or are we going to head down? As I mentioned the other day, we could fall down pretty easily here. We have a bunch of tails that we could fill. So we have a bunch of tails we could fill, all these purple boxes. And we could come down. We're going to have to really watch it right here in this area, which is about 45,150 if it does come down here and fill this area, which right now it looks like it's most likely going to before it chooses a more definite direction. So we'll watch that and see where it goes for sure. Heading over to the 4-hour chart. Okay. So right now, 4-hour chart looks like we are for sure rolling over. And if you look here, you can see that we're about to come down and touch that EMA, and we could come all the way down to this meme line here. It could be a slow descent. We could take a little bit of time, or we could fill that area that we just talked about 45,200, I believe, and then see a bounce up. So that's an interesting confluence right here with the bottom of this dip area here in this hollowed out volume area. So we might just be filling this area right now and then bounce around here and then maybe move back up. This is going to be an interesting one to watch. Like I said, we could fall all the way down here. It's a pretty easy descent. So once we get to this area, if we get to this area, I'm going to be watching very closely to see which direction we're headed. I'm not going to rule out all this open volume area right now, especially with the equity markets looking like they want to break out. We're just going to have to watch this and see. Very quick video. Don't have much more to say besides that today. I hope everybody has a great day, and we will watch this short-term movement with these targets being in this area right here. Have a great day, everyone.